Hi guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to know what donor and recipient for blood type would be compatible. And I'm assuming that you already know about the A antigen, B antigen, and the Rh factor at this point, and how that works with the antibodies. So if you've had that overview, then we can talk about how to tell who would be able to donate to who. Okay, so this chart shows the answer to the question, but I'm going to show you how to figure it out without a chart, who could donate to who. So this shows, okay, what if A positive in the donor row donated to, let's say, AB negative, and that would not work. You can see if you just match up from the chart. So we're going to do an example in just a second, but the main idea to understand here is that blood is made of two parts, platelets and plasma. So when someone donates blood, they actually take the plasma out and they're just donating the platelets. And that's important because you have the antibodies in the plasma of the blood and the antigens are on the platelets or the blood cells. The antigens are on the surface of those cells. So if you take the plasma out of the donor's blood and then reconstitute the plasma and give that to them, then you're only donating the antigens, not the antibodies. So you only have to worry about the donor antigens and the recipient antibodies as far as compatibility goes. And that really simplifies everything a lot. You can ignore the donor antibodies because they're gone. Those were in the donor plasma, and they took that out. And so let's do an example real quick. We're going to do O positive as the donor and AB negative as the recipient and say, why does that not work? So I drew the pictures of them here. You can see the antigens on the surface of the cell, and the AB recipient is going to have anti-RH antigens, or antibodies. And because it doesn't have RH on its cell, so it's going to have the antibodies for the antigen it doesn't have. And so when this comes in with the RH, these anti-RH antibodies are going to attack the Rh antigen on the donor's blood cell. So you have, again, only donor antigens and recipient antibodies. Those are the only two things that have to be compatible. So that was a lot, but you guys are awesome. Way to go. And I'll see you around.